Hey guys, it's Jenny Silver, and today I want to show you how you can go from nothing to having a fully built, functional coaching business online in about an hour. Now, I'm going to show you how to set this up so that it is fully automated. When a client comes to your website, they will see a landing page, learn more about you. They then can click through to book a coaching call with you. Once they have paid and booked, they then will be able to automatically schedule themselves in your calendar. Once they click that scheduling link and they schedule themselves with a specific date and time, that calendar is fully integrated with Google Calendar, so it syncs everywhere for you across the board. I'm also going to show you how to integrate automatic scheduling so that it not only syncs with your Google Calendar, but also will create the Zoom call and the link to send to the client automatically once they book. This means that the only thing that you have to do once a client books you is actually show up for the call. I'm going to be showing you how to utilize a really powerful platform called Kajabi in order to get your coaching business up and running. This is going to allow you to create not only a way for customers to purchase from you, but also a way to create a landing page, a website, a blog, a mailing list, and there are so many other features that you can develop later on, but today I want to show you specifically how you can set up your own coaching business. If you have heard me talk about Kajabi before, you know that I absolutely love it. It is one of my favorite tools that I use in my business. It does come with a price tag. Now on my channel, I do share many different free resources that you can use to help build your business, but Kajabi is one of those things where I feel like it is really worth the investment. You can use the link that I have down in my video description in order to start a free 30-day trial of Kajabi. You can build your coaching website in one day, start intaking clients, see if you like it all for free. After that point in time, you can then add on a paid membership if you choose to continue. From the dashboard over on the left under Products, select Coaching, then click Get Started. Here you can select either a single session or a package that you'd like to create. Next, enter in the title for your coaching program, the coach's name, as well as the description of the program. Next, you're going to select a thumbnail to represent your coaching. After you click Continue, then you're going to be asked how you'd like to schedule your coaching sessions. Now I'm going to show you how to integrate this with Calendly for scheduling, and you do not need to pay to use this account. This is going to be a free account. You're going to select the basic account and click on Get Started and set up your account. Now once that is made, you're going to return to Kajabi and select that you want it to integrate with Calendly. Back over in Calendly, we are going to click on New Event Type. Next, we are going to create an event type for your coaching sessions. Next, you're going to be entering in all of the event details for your coaching session. So you're going to enter in your event name, select Zoom for the location, and continue on throughout the various details. Available hours for your coaching sessions. So you're going to select a custom schedule and enter in the days and times that you would like to offer your sessions. We want to make this a secret event so that only those that can actually view your link once they have paid can book. Now to get started, you are using Calendly with a free event. Now to get started, you are using Calendly with a free account, but I do recommend upgrading to a paid account because they do offer upgraded systems because the notification systems, the email reminders, and other paid features are really worth it. Make sure you use my link down below in the video description in order to sign up. Now this is important. When you come down, in the next setup area, you are going to go to the Collect Payments section. Here you want to select Do Not Collect Payments. Why? Because you will not be collecting your payments on Calendly. Instead, you will be collecting your payments on Kajabi. So make sure this is set to No. Now once you've created the event type in Calendly, head back over to Kajabi and make sure that under the new coaching program you select that matching event type. This is that we must create an offer. On the left-hand side, under the marketing area, under the sales area, you're going to click on offers. Then you're going to enter in the offer title and select your specific coaching product. Select the payment type down below and input the price. Now, once this populates, you're going to click on Checkout in that top menu bar. Then we are going to edit the checkout page. So you can customize this how you like. You can remove the banner that is up top, or you can customize the color or images that appear. Next, you're going to select the service agreement that you would like people to agree to in order to book your sessions. So if you click on service agreement, you can either click that it is not required or required, or you can click to input a custom agreement, which would be where you would place your contract for signature. Now, once this is complete, go back to the offer page, and on that offer page, you're going to scroll down. Next, you can input if you would like to have a post-purchase email, and you can customize that. You can also set up automations here. So if you want something to automatically happen upon purchase of your coaching session, then you can select that here, as long as you've pre-built it within Kajabi. Next, I want you to click on additional settings at the top of the offer. Here I'm going to show you some important things that you will want to switch on. You're going to want to switch on to get notified when a purchase has been made. You're going to enter in your email address there. Next, select Send Cart Abandonment Emails. Anytime someone adds something to their cart or checkout but doesn't complete the purchase, you can automatically send them a reminder. This is going to help increase your sales. Lastly, select to activate affiliate commissions on this offer. Kajabi has an upgraded feature which allows you to have affiliates, meaning that if you have someone who is sharing your services, marketing your products for you, that they can receive a kickback automatically. So this is a great feature if you are utilizing influencers, if you're getting referrals from someone else, to get them to share your link to earn more. Next, over under the website tab, we are going to click on pages. We are going to be adding a new landing page. Why? Because you are going to need a landing page that clients can book you from. Select a template that you like and then enter in the page name. Click Create. Next, the page is going to populate a template and we will customize the template. Click on the section that you want to customize, and over on the left, you can do things such as change images, change the text, or delete areas. To add a new section to the page, over on the left-hand side, we're going to click Add a Section, and you will see all the different types of content options that you can add in. Select the type of content that you want to add, and Kajabi will populate it for you. If you'd like to reorder anything on the page, simply drag and drop the content bar by clicking on the right-hand side, holding the button down, and dragging it up or down on the page. Next, I'm going to add in new content. I'm going to select a frequently asked questions to add to my page. Now, if I want to update any of the background images, I'm going to click directly on that content, and then I'm going to replace it with a new image by clicking Select Image over on the left-hand side. I can then adjust the opacity, do an overlay, and just really change how I want it to look. Now, if I click on a particular content block, over on the left-hand side, I can scroll down to animations, and I can make it so that when the user scrolls on the page, an animation occurs to just make the page more visually interesting. Next, I'm going to return to the Pages tab, and over on these three dots, I'm going to click on Edit Details. Next, I'm going to update the URL so that it's exactly what I want it to be, and I'm going to either change the page visibility to stay a draft or to be published. Next, we're going to optimize it for SEO so that it can get found in search engines. So we're going to update the page title and page description with keyword-heavy terms of what your ideal clients might be searching for. Okay, you guys, so let's look at the final page and see exactly how it looks and what I was able to create in less than an hour. We have a landing page with frequently asked questions that tells a little bit about me, and we have a way for clients to book. If we click Book Now, then it will take them through to a checkout page, and once they have booked that checkout page, I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like on the back end when a client views what they have. Now, in your coaching section, if you click on the program and then click on Session Template, you will be able to update your agenda, add items that you may talk about, and you can also add resources such as images, audio files, video files, or PDFs. After a client purchases and books you, they will have this landing page available on their login. In the top Schedule Now button, they will be able to click and view your available times, which integrates with Calendly. Calendly syncs with your Google Calendar, and it also syncs with Zoom. So when someone books, they will pay through Kajabi, it will schedule them through Calendly, it will send them reminders and updates through Calendly, and it will also automatically create the Zoom for you. Now, if you're someone that has been wanting to set up a program like this, I want you to click the link in the video description down below to get a 30-day free trial of Kajabi. That way you can test it out. You can even book some clients right away after building the website and make some money before you decide if you want to actually pay for this service. Okay, you guys, I hope that was helpful. Please click like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below.